Hey, how's it going on, people? It's been a long time since I updated the last time. My name is Mike. Welcome to MANABOO TUBE. I'm sorry, I was away for the whole week. I had a bunch of stuff to do this weekend, so I stayed overnight lately. Guess what is the hottest event in Japan even right now? Yes, that's right. 2018 FIFA World Cup in Russia. You know what? I watching the World Cup football games all day. It's been amazing and interesting, even if you are not a football fan. Besides, the Japanese team is doing incredible jobs, and they are just about to have another game against Poland, which must be pretty exciting. So I can't wait for it. Let me show you just one clip before the intro begins. Can you guess what's happening right here? The guy at the top, he dived into a river at the Dotonbori in Osaka for the big winning against Colombia on the other day. Apparently, they got so high and they celebrated on the victory. But the problem here is that this river is quite dirty. The sanitation is extremely bad. I don't know why, but maybe this is a sort of a Japanese traditional ceremony or something. I don't really know the historical route on why they started to jump into a river in the very center of Osaka. It doesn't make sense to me. Every time having a big event, they go crazy and then they go out of mind. I'm kind of fed up with it. So I just want them to stop. But anyway. Afterwards, this young kid was arrested by a couple of policemen. So if you're overjoyed in a wrong way, I'm sure you're gonna have a nightmare for sure. So please don't act stupid things like this, even if you are extremely happy. Okay, so look, World Cup aside, let me go back to focus on my job. Today I'm gonna demonstrate you on how to make homemade frozen crepe. So this is a frozen crepe that I just cooked. It's so hot today. Yeah, I got so sweat when I cooked today. So, but yeah, today is so muggy. So it doesn't look good, but I think it's at least it is enough to eat in private, and it costs you to make it at a reasonable price, and it should be less than $5, let's say. And then I'm sorry I talked about the food after showing you off a nasty video, but I think today it is something a little bit different from what I usually do on YouTube. Make sure this is not an official cooking channel on YouTube. So if you want to make it yourself by following proper cooking instruction, please just Google it. And I think that's much easier and more trustful than my video. So I made a short movie so that you can enjoy my cooking. If you enjoyed, give it a like, and I wish you could subscribe my channel as well. So let's go.ホイップクリームを作ります。まず市販で売られているホイップクリーム、これを入れていきます。砂糖、 So, how would you like my cooking? It's pretty good, isn't it? Yeah, I think you're gonna love it. So this time I cooked too much, but if you can't eat anymore, just put it in a freezer. You can eat the rest later. Personally, I prefer the frozen homemade crepe, especially during the middle of the summer right now. And so that's pretty much all for today. I'm gonna show you a wide variety of interesting video later, so please look forward to it. Hopefully it's gonna be this weekend. So next week I'm gonna have a road trip in Tohoku area, so I may not be able to upload quite often, but you know, this weekends for sure. So thanks again, thanks for watching, and then I'm gonna see you pretty soon. Right, thanks. Later. Stay awesome.